The artificial intelligence revolution is reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. In 2024, global AI adoption has reached 72% among enterprises, with chatbot usage growing by 300% year over year. From Silicon Valley to Singapore, companies are integrating AI into daily operations, fundamentally changing how we work, learn, and create. The chatbot market alone is projected to reach $25 billion by 2025, with over 4 billion people expected to interact with AI assistants regularly. This explosive growth has sparked intense competition among tech giants, leading to remarkable innovations in natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. Against this backdrop, 3 platforms have emerged as leaders in the AI chatbot space: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Perplexity AI. Today, we're diving deep into each platform to help you choose the perfect AI assistant for your needs. Let's start with ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT's biggest strength is its conversational abilities. It feels natural to talk to, making it perfect for creative writing, brainstorming, and general conversation. The platform offers an extensive plugin ecosystem, and the latest models like GPT-4 provide impressive research capabilities. ChatGPT excels at coding assistance, creative storytelling, and complex problem-solving. However, ChatGPT has some limitations. It can sometimes provide outdated information since its training data has cut-off dates. The most advanced features require a paid subscription, and it occasionally generates plausible-sounding but incorrect information. Despite these drawbacks, ChatGPT remains the go-to choice for creative tasks and engaging conversations. Next up is Google Gemini, Google's answer to ChatGPT. Gemini's superpower lies in logical reasoning and data analysis. It integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, making it incredibly powerful for users already invested in Google Workspace. Gemini performs exceptionally well in technical tasks, mathematical problems, and analytical thinking. Plus, it offers a generous free tier that rivals paid competitors. On the flip side, Gemini can feel less conversational than ChatGPT. It tends to be more factual and formal, which might feel robotic for casual users. Its creative writing capabilities are limited compared to ChatGPT, and it sometimes overemphasizes accuracy at the expense of creativity. Choose Gemini if you need reliable data analysis and logical problem-solving. Finally, we have Perplexity AI, the research specialist. Perplexity's unique selling point is real-time web search with proper citations. Every answer comes with sources, making it perfect for research and fact-checking. It analyzes multiple sources quickly and provides up-to-date information on current events. For students, researchers, and professionals who need verified information, Perplexity is invaluable. However, Perplexity has its weaknesses. It's primarily focused on information retrieval, so it's less creative than ChatGPT. The conversational abilities are more limited, and it's not as engaging for casual interactions. Think of Perplexity as your research assistant rather than a creative partner. So how do they compare head-to-head? For accuracy and citations, Perplexity takes the crown with transparent sourcing. ChatGPT dominates creativity and engaging conversations. Gemini excels in logical reasoning and analytical tasks. For real-time information, Perplexity provides the most current data. And for overall user experience, ChatGPT offers the most natural interactions. Regarding pricing, all 3 platforms follow similar models. ChatGPT offers a limited free tier with ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. Gemini provides a generous free tier with Gemini Advanced also at $20 monthly. Perplexity offers free access with limitations, while Perplexity Pro costs $20 per month. Here's my recommendation. Choose ChatGPT if you want the most versatile and conversational AI for creative work and general use. Pick Gemini if you need powerful analytical capabilities and Google integration. Select Perplexity. If research and fact-checking with proper citations are your priorities, the future looks bright for all 3 platforms with continuous improvements in accuracy, speed, and capabilities. Each serves different needs, so the best choice depends on your specific use case. What matters most is finding the AI assistant that enhances your productivity and creativity in this rapidly evolving AI landscape. Don't forget to subscribe QMO SynthMind channel so you don't miss next video all about AI.